By October this year, Kenya's inflation had hit a 5-year high amid a continued increase in the cost of food, fuel, as well as housing. Monthly inflation data by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics shows that the country's overall rate of inflation in October stood at 9.6% compared to 9.2% in September. This signals to a depressed economy.
The Kenya of debt, Kenya of budget deficit, Kenya that is led by public sector at the detriment of private sector, we are referring it to the old passport.
Speaking during the 4th Annual Investment Conference in Nairobi, the Trade and Industry Cabinet Secretary Moses Kuria said that the government is keen to slow down on borrowing, is instead focused on reducing public expenditure.
We are looking at public-private partnerships, which also fall within the State Department for Investment, as a new preferred form of financing our development. So today, if you are looking to give money to government, and then the government is supposed to take that money into housing, or into water, or into energy, we are saying thank you very much, bring the money, but don't give that money to Treasury, only for Treasury now to turn that money into Kenyans of this world.
Data from the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics further indicated that the country will add another 11.7 million to the job market over a period of 15 years from 2020. This points to mounting unemployment in an economy that is not generating adequate jobs for school leavers and college graduates. These, according to Fred Swanika, the founder and CEO of African Leadership. Kenya and other African countries should now focus on sectors that can be able to resuscitate the economy.
We spend $50 billion a year importing food into Africa. That we have perfect soil conditions and rain and abundant sunshine that we should be producing for ourselves. Stock markets are crashing. Well, that means there's great opportunities for you to find stocks with better valuation, like tourism. Americans are feeling richer now. So what are we doing to attract them to come to Kenya?
And as the festive season begins, a recent report by World Remit on the cost of Christmas study indicated that Kenyan families are expected to spend 17% less on Christmas celebrations this year compared to 2021. The CS now says that the solutions to unlocking Kenya's potential for growth requires basic decisions that simplify the workings of the government. Linda Koskei, K24 TV.